Are you trying to save money, or maybe you are starting a healthy eating lifestyle? Stay tuned, and I am going to teach you a special tip that will help you stretch your dollar and also save you time in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Dana Loria Morales. I'm the owner of the Happiness Bucket, where I educate you to organize your space, life, soul, and business. And today we are talking about saving money and meal planning. How do you do those two things together to help you stretch your dollar and save you time? Well, here's the deal. We need to start thinking in bulk, okay? And I'm not talking about going to Sam's and buying up all the big containers of everything. You can do that, but that is not what I'm talking about specifically today. Today, what I am talking about is thinking ahead and having meals that have synergy, that all feed off of each other. And an example of this is chicken. If you think about buying one family pack size of chicken, and yes, you can get this in the normal grocery store, or you can get it at your Sam's Club or Costco or any of those types of places. You can get a family size pack of chicken and split it up, thinking about individual meals. What I find is a lot of times people think, oh, there's only 3 of us in the house and we'll never eat that much chicken in one sitting. Well, I don't want you to think about just one sitting at a time anymore. I want you to think in bulk. I want you to think about meals being used out of this one container. And so the reason why this is important is because stores oftentimes have sales on meat. And meat is one of the most expensive things that you can buy at the grocery store. And so it's important for you to get those when they are at their lowest price, and when you can get them in bulk, or when you can buy, when they're at their lowest price, you can get more of the item for less, obviously. So I encourage you to think about these things in a different way. So I'm going to use chicken as the example because most people do eat chicken. So if you get the family pack of chicken thighs, for example, that typically they'll have 8 to 10 pieces of chicken in it. Well, in no normal setting is somebody eating that much chicken in one sitting. However, when you buy those, you can do a couple of things. Number one, you can just take all the chicken out, put it on a pan, season it all, bake it, while you're cooking your meal for the day. That's not going to take you an extensive amount of time from what you're doing, right? So that literally, to prep the chicken and put it in the oven, may take you 5 to 10 minutes. 10 is actually way too much. I think it's going to take you more like 5 minutes. Put it in the oven. You continue to cook something else or whatever you're going to eat for the day. And then you can pull that chicken out and prep it for other meals. So if you think about chicken, what can you do with it? You can shred a chicken thigh and put it on a salad. You can eat the chicken thigh by itself. You can put the chicken thigh in a sauce of some sort, or with noodles, or your zoodles if you're doing keto, or pasta if you're not. You can put those in a dish and have it ready to go. You can actually just take all of the chicken once it's cooked and put it in the freezer in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, and freeze it. It's going to freeze individually, and when you need some cooked chicken, you just take that out, let it thaw, and you continue to do whatever it is you need to do with it. In most recipes, it's the meat cooking or browning that takes the most time for the meal prep. So that's a way that you can shorten your meal, your time in prepping a meal. That's also a way that you can meal prep throughout the week. So if you cook this chicken, let's say on Saturday or on Sunday, you can then split it among meals throughout the week. And like I said, you can change the dynamics of the chicken. There are so many varieties and things that you can do with one type of meat that you spread out over time. So the point is that I want you to, number one, think about buying things in bulk and splitting them out and placing them in the freezer, just so that you have saved money in purchasing the meat, instead of just buying a small package of chicken because you're making something that requires chicken today. So that alone will save you money. But I want to save you not only money, but also time at the same time. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you would like some additional tips like this, please make sure that you, number one, like this video and subscribe to the channel. And then, of course, comment below with any other videos that you would like to see or any tips that you, anything that you need help with in the future. Until the next video, I want you to stay happy and stay organized. Bye.